Please help me, Taylor.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh god! Hold that. Sorry. Get the glass.
Hey, see that's all right.
I'll cut it down.
Right, okay, hold on my glasses.
The scariest thing, because like no one knew what was happening, so I genuinely thought like something had happened to the engine, and that was it. We were just like literally plummeting to the ground. Even the flight attendant said after the flight she's never experienced anything like that in 28 years of flying. She smacked her head, she was actually walking at the time, smacked her head really bad. Like I literally looked up and she was on the ceiling. All the glasses smashed everywhere. They had an ambulance waiting when we landed. My sister had to have some stitches put on her hand because all the glass had smashed into her hand.